Cause what would the tabby slimes give me? They should give me better things. Oh my! That's how you know it's going to be a good color. Get rock slime. I don't know why they made it so you can die in this game. So no, this is not a casual game. This is a game where you can die. Get rid of these. Oh, it's just a tabby. It's just a pink tabby. The rock tabby seems cooler. You can go over it. I kind of do want the tabby. What's better, tabby or rock slime? Or you know what? Rooster. Food type meat. Wait. I've just found out how to get hybrid cats. I mean, hybrid slimes without, like, actually breeding them. I don't think there's a limit to how long you can do this. Did you just escape? I had 2 rock tabbies, right? Yes, I did. I definitely need the high wall upgrade. Did he give me that? Oh, how is that? What? Wait, what? Oh, whoa, no. Wait, what's happening? Oh, slimes, get in here. The tar, those awful drums, the incineroar. This is why you need the incinerator. I managed to save 1 rock slime. Oh, no. Don't say that too soon. There's still 1 more. So how did my slimes catch a virus? Oh, those better not merge. No. I have the things that fuse into evil. Wait a minute. Meat and ranchers. I'm doing this. Meat and ranchers. Wow. Oh, don't eat the boards. Oh my. I've just been reset. Maybe it's because it's nighttime. Day 5. Wait, it's already day 5. Don't act like that didn't just happen, game. Game, why did you do that? Okay, no. No. You can't just do this. Oh, so these are just bad. Instead of making sporks, they make a copy of themselves. You can't just drop them in from the sky like you just did. I don't stop merging into these big rock slime things. Oh, you merge them by giving one of them 4 of the other. So like, I'm gonna merge that tabby. Yes, now I understand how to merge. I'll get rockport. Meat and ranchers? Slimes. Hi, little fella. I'm gonna try to merge you with a rockport. Oh, you are. That's already the merge you have. Oh, so ports aren't only for selling, they're also for merging. I don't know what combination that was, but whatever it is, I don't want it to happen. Help me out here. I'll make you get what's owed. E. Help me out here. Three strawberries. I don't have 3 strawberries. Garden. Oh dang it, I need like 5. Whatever just happened was not good. I'm just gonna go out exploring. That's what the incinerator's for, because if I threw it over the mountain, it probably would come back, so I need to incinerate them. That's what I'm thinking. Because if that's not what the incinerator's for, then you can just throw stuff over the mountain. I'm assuming it won't work on those things, so you need the incinerator to take care of them. Okay, my mission is to get restocked on good slimes. Okay, restock. Now I understand how to work. I don't know what. Please say the water kills everything. Little cats. Rock slime. Oh wait, I threw rock slime at him thinking it would merge. They need the plort. They need the plort to merge. Up. Oh, right. Diet everything. Feral slime. Oh, that everything includes rangers, doesn't it? Run. Get out of here. Dang. Run. Heading back mode initiated. Apparently, nothing can swim in this game. Not even your character, so. I got knocked out by touching the water. I think maybe I'll play for a bit more, but this is a long tutorial, or like demo. Okay. Already finished it. This is a long demo. Get in here. Okay, so I want carrots for everybody. Carrots. Everyone gets some carrots. No, actually, no, I do not want that. I don't know how to make them, is the thing, so I can't stop it. All I know is... Seriously? he ate my blue slimes already. I don't want that to happen. Say that's a rock. Yes, it's a rock. It's a rock. It's a rock. Sorry. Rock, rock, rock. Rock, 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 rock. Yes, got it. You'll be in here. I will miss. Now I need another tabby or rock. Or I should sell my pink florts. I should collect all pink florts and sell them, so nothing eats the pink florts. Since I don't want any pink merges. Pink slime merges are not good. At least I can sell these. I need 350 for an upgrade. What upgrades can I get nowadays? Tank Booster MK2. I want the Pulse Wave. Pulse Wave matter future true. We need some personal space. Okay. Setting off to get rock slime. Hey! Stop it! If you want to go somewhere, you can go somewhere. You're welcome. Wait. Oh, for a second I thought that was... Thing is, food naturally spawns out here, which is kind of a good thing, but then slimes eat it, and then the things get merged with the pink slime, since the pink slimes will eat everything. I just watched a pink and a rock merge. Okay, rock slime, good, good, good. On the right track, on the right track. Okay. Tabby cat, tabby slime. No running, no running, no running. No, I kind of want to go a bit further. See what else I can find. One thing that I need to do, get the night slimes again. Ooh, I found a new place. That's a bunch of rock and tabby slime. Oh, wait, what's in front of me? Oh. I'll get rid of some report. What? What is this? That's what I've been wanting forever. What I've wanted forever. Yes, get these, because those are... Wait, did I just see a pink slime eat a slime? Yes, they will eat everything. It isn't lying, the pink slime is eating anything. So I want to get as much of these like tabby and rock slimes as I can. And then maybe... Huh. Okay. The trail is over, but the adventure has just begun. Okay. That was the Slime Rancher demo. Please tell me if you want me to play the real game, try the demo again, see what else I can do. The real game is gonna have way more slimes and stuff. The trail's over. The demo's free, you can try demo. Hope you enjoyed.